Welcome to our FAULHABER Drive Time. In the first few videos of this sequence, I gave you an overview how to use the discrete inputs of our motion controller to control the drive. And I gave a first example of a scaling of such an analog input. Here I want to do this for my demo unit here and use the analog input 1 to be used as the target speed. I'll give you a few examples of scaling such an analog input in a first single slide, and then I'm going to switch to the live view of the Motion Manager. In my demo unit here, the potentiometer is connected to the 5-volt sensor supply at the I/O connector of the motion controller. So the input voltage is then in a range between 0 volt and 5 volt, and the raw values would be 0 to 5000 digits. When we now want to control the speed of the motor here, so the BX4 motor, which is having a nominal speed close to 5000 RPM at nominal load and nominal voltage, then the scaling is already fine because the raw values are the 0 to 5000 and the target speed is the same, so we can directly use the original scaling. When we want to have the speed being in both directions, so plus minus 5000 RPM, then the first option would be to assign a digital input to be a direction input for this analog input, or we have to rescale the input. To generate a reference of plus minus 5000 out of the unipolar input here, we would have to use an offset. And we want to have a 0 value now in the middle of our input range, so the offset is minus 2500. But then the scale is shifted from the 0 to 5000 to plus minus 2500, and what we then have to add is again, in that case, a factor of 2 here. In case when we got a full range plus minus 10 volt reference signal, which could be generated by an analog output of, for example, a PLC. And if you still want to control the speed only in the one direction, so 0 to 5000 RPM, you could, for example, use an input limitation. That's here. Or in case when you really want to operate the motor in both directions, either, once again, of course, we could use the limitation here, or we rescale the input. Offset in that case is 0, but to generate the plus minus 5000 out of the range here, out of the full 10,000 increment range, would be a gain of 50%. So here's the view from the Motion Manager. The Drive Functions window here is used to select the input and to rescale them. Analog inputs are found in the signal management section here under analog IOs. And here is the collection of all the parameters associated with one of these inputs. So the gain and the offset, the filter time, and then parameters here for limiting the input range and assign a digital input to be used as a direction input here. In my example here, I want to generate a speed reference of plus minus 200 out of the raw input range, which is with the 5-volt supply here, 0 to 5000. So in the first step, I have to think about the offset, and I want to have a 0 value at the 50% range, so at plus 2500. So my offset here would be minus 2500. And this is shifting the raw range now in a symmetric area around the 0, so the range would now be plus minus 2500. But I want to have plus minus 200. So what I have to do is divide the remaining range here by the full range, the 2500, and multiply by 200. And then we should be done. Send the parameters. And next step is to select this first analog input to be used as the target speed, and that's in the general tab here of the signal management. So here are the target values. Target velocity is then the first analog input and select the analog control that's in the operating modes section here, analog velocity control. Once again, send the parameter, close the window and enable the driver, and now we should be set and can control the speed in both directions. And here we are. So far, a first example how to use an analog input to control the movement, here speed control. In the next video, I'll add the second analog input to control the position. Meanwhile, if you got any questions, contact your local FAULHABER sales team or our MC support team. And check back with our channel or leave a comment. Bye.